Hey guys, welcome back to Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, we have some more amazing tool deals to share with you. Now, we have Home Depot and we have Amazon. We have DeWalt, we have Milwaukee, and we have some good old-fashioned Amazon promo code deals that I know you guys are going to love. Everything's going to be linked down below. We're starting out at Home Depot, and we have the Extreme Power US 1400 watt demolition hammer, jackhammer, trigger lock, concrete breaker. Comes with a handy dandy case. You get a couple of chisels. Now, I've never used a little baby one like this, but I've used a big boy. I'm going to say it was about 4 feet tall because it was about my height. That's fun. I've had to break up concrete with a sledgehammer, and I've gotten to use a jackhammer, and I'm telling you, jackhammer fun, sledgehammer miserable. So if you have any potential project like that, this is a good deal for you. It was $129, it's down to $75, and that is a fun tool to use. It's probably mostly fun just because the back breaking labor that you're saving, not having to do manual labor. Okay, first Amazon deal that I want to share with you. We have the complete whetstone knife sharpener kit. Waterstone with non-slip holder flattening stone, cut resistant gloves, angle guide, honing guide, leather strap by Alderarez. It's Antonio Alderarez, 50% off. That's what it looks like. Normally $50, but the 50% promo code good through the 29th makes it $24.99. Because you all know you cut yourself with a dull knife, not with a sharp one. Look at all these things I gotta close out again. Kind of similar to, at least in price, the DeWalt drill bit set that we mentioned in the video yesterday, which, by the way, putting together a deal playlist for all the Home Depot holiday deals. I'll list that down below too. If you missed any of them, we've already done like 8 videos on Home Depot holiday deals, so make sure you check that out so you don't miss anything. This is a Ryobi drill and impact drive kit, 20-piece handy dandy case, normally $10.97 down to $5.97. You're saving $5 and you're getting that free shipping from Home Depot. And we got a little bit of everything here with the insert bits and the 2-inch bits and some drill bits, a little holder guy, or maybe that's a little nut setter guy. I can't even tell what that is. No matter what, it's $5.97 and free shipping. Back to Amazon, we have the DeWalt 168-piece mechanic tool set. Really nice when you're getting all 3 ratchets, a ton of sockets, wrenches. You do get a couple of the hex keys or Allen wrenches. You do get this case guy right here in the middle, which I think has bits in it. I bought this a while ago and I don't even remember. I didn't keep it, obviously. So it's $119. And also, by the way, before we get too far ahead of ourselves, I'm going to have another DeWalt mechanic set to show you here in a minute, so you may want to wait to compare the two to see which one you like better. Now, this was a price match with Home Depot, but Farm and Fleet has it for $229.99, over $100 more expensive, and Acme Tools almost $100 more expensive at $180. So a really good deal whether you go Amazon or Home Depot. But again, we're going to have another one here in 1 second, so maybe hold your horses. Or just wing it. You might be happy either way. $19.97. Look, at this one's in stock. Oh, by the way, we talked about that DeWalt 2-pack of tape measures. It was out of stock when I made the video. It came back in stock. I don't know if it's in stock right now, but it did at one point today come back in stock. Speaking of in stock, everything is in stock that we're showing you in the video. All the promo codes are working. All the coupons are working right now. However, I'm recording this at 1 in the morning, and I'm going to post it at 6 o'clock in the morning. So, here's the deal. If you watch this between like 6 to 7 o'clock in the morning and a bunch of the deals aren't working, feel free to shit on me in the comments. But, if you're watching at noon, you have given up your shitting rights because you're just too late. This deal, the Milwaukee 2-pack 25-foot compact magnetic tape measures, 15-foot reach. I don't think so. $19.97. That makes them only $10 each. So I have one of these, and I kind of like this magnetic tip on it. You can kind of see in the picture here. It's like 50-50 helpful or annoying as shit. It's either sticking to things you don't want it to, or it's, hey, I'm trying to measure this by myself, and that's metal over there. This is a lot easier than not having a magnet on it. So it's like a situational benefit or detriment. But for $10 a piece, that's a really good deal. You keep one, you give one to a friend, you got Christmas presents, whatever you want to do with it. Now here is that other DeWalt mechanic set that I want to show you. It's a 108 piece set. I'm sure it comes with a handy dandy case, even though it doesn't show you here. You're getting 2 ratchets instead of 3. Feels like a little bit more bits over here. No wrenches in this one. Still a fair amount of sockets with the little driver handle. So this is only $69. For a 108 piece set, especially the DeWalt hand tools, which are generally kind of expensive, not as bad as Milwaukee hand tools, but more expensive than a lot of the other kits you'll see. Now that again is a price match with Home Depot, who also has it for $69. And then that Farm and Fleet comparison, it's double the price again, $132.99. So that's really your full-blown retail price, which you would expect to pay normally. And then Tool Nut, kind of that medium porridge right in the middle there, $99.97. Of course, you got to add shipping to both the Farm and Fleet and Tool Nut one, which makes our sale price here just a little bit sweeter. Now here we have an Amazon deal on a cordless impact wrench by Aobin. And I actually have 2. I have one other impact wrench I'm going to show you in a second. So again, you may want to buckle up and wait a second. But we have the cordless impact wrench, 1/2-inch drive, 300 max foot-pounds of torque. Comes with a 4 amp hour battery, which is a really good battery to go with it. We have tons of reviews, 3,100 total reviews, 4.5 out of 5 championship belts on that guy. So we're liking that there's that many reviews and there's really good reviews. At least that gives us some confidence that we have a decent item here. And it's normally $79.99, but our promo code takes 50% off. That's supposed to go through November 1st. A little secret between you and me. I don't think it'll last that long. I think it'll either sell out or they'll kill the code. They're probably looking to get so many sold, and then once they hit that mark, they're gonna trash the code. So $79.99. It's going to be $39.99. Of course, free shipping for Prime members. To come with a 4 amp hour battery, I mean, think in general terms. If we're looking at DeWalt or Milwaukee stuff, we're always trying to get to $10 per amp hour of battery. Hell, we're getting the battery at that price, and then the impact wrench with, you get the sockets too, but who cares about their sockets? Really good deal. Here's another one that I really like that kind of goes with the impact wrench in a way. 3-pack of SAE magnetic socket organizers by Vavor, and they're even in green. And I like that they're SAE. Everyone else is going to hate that. I like that. 66 Caprice, 67 Mustang, 73 Corvette. Lots of SAE in this garage. Magnetic little holders, all clearly labeled. You got your 1/4, your 3/8, and your 1/2-inch drives. Start out at $30.99, which actually isn't a bad price. Sometimes we get the promo codes and the starting price was just insane. Like even the impact wrench beforehand, $80 for that impact wrench. You're not getting screwed over or anything by that. That's a fair price for the item, right? And $39.99 is just an amazing deal. So $30.99 isn't insane or anything. There's nothing wrong with it. But the promo code takes 39% off, and again, that's supposed to go through the 1st. So I believe it was something like $18 maybe after the promo code. So for a 3-pack magnetic, that's a deal I like. And probably one I should be picking up because my socket organization is no bueno. It's too spaced out, takes up too much space. As I get more and more tools, I got to consolidate them suckers, and right now it takes up it's a whole thing, man. Not good. We'll do a toolbox tour someday if you guys want it, because I think I haven't done that in like 3 years. Cordless impact wrench. So here's the second one we want to look at. It's another 1/2-inch drive, brushless. Now this one says it's 332 pounds of torque. We can't trust them though, because they're all liars on Amazon. So maybe it's 332, maybe it's 232, maybe it's 632. I doubt it's that high though. 3,000 RPM. This is by Chemo. Now Chemo's been around for several years. I'm sure that Aobin has been too, but back in the day, Chemo sent me a couple of free tools. They sent me an impact driver, which I actually used in a video to build a little addition on my shed, and that worked beautifully. They also sent me a cordless ratchet at one time. Actually, it was kind of funny. We found an amazing deal on the cordless ratchet, so I bought it because I wanted it. And the same week, they offered me one for free, so I ended up with 2 of them and ended up giving both of them away because I'm just a hell of a guy like that. Yeah, and I paid for one and still gave it away. Yeah, I know. $99.99 for their impact wrench, a 40% promo code, and a $10 coupon, so basically 50% off. So this one's $10 more. And where does it say? It's probably like a 2 amp hour battery. I feel like it should say somewhere, and maybe I'm just missing it. You could really look at what other tools are available for either of them as far as cordless tools in their lineup. I know Chemo has several just because I've dealt with them in the past. I don't know if Abe Oben has several. They have a ratchet, but I might not even use the same battery because it's probably a 12-volt ratchet. Maybe something to consider, but either one I think is a good deal for you. Infrared thermometer gun, handheld heat temperature gun by Kaizen. There it is. These things are fun to play with. Normally $17.99, $3 coupon, $14.99. Not for humans. Only your pets can play with this. So teach the dog how to pull the trigger. Hey, that could come in handy in multiple ways. Really amazing deal right here. Amazing. 4-pack, 4-foot linkable LED shop lights, 240 watt equivalent, 4200 lumen, 5000K daylight. This is by Ami Bright, and it's 50% off. So they sent me these lights a couple of years ago, and I've had a couple of different companies send me 4-foot shop lights, so I know I'm going to get confused on which one is which. Either these lights are hanging in my garage, which I use very often and work fabulously, or this is the light that hangs above my workbench when I'm making videos, which I literally use every single day. Both work beautifully and have worked for over a year. The ones in the garage probably pre-COVID, so a while. This is a 4-pack, 4-foot light. Starts out at $64.99, but we're cutting the price in half with a 30% promo code and a 20% coupon. $32.49, is that correct? Is that my grade school math? Now here's the thing. The promo code, you could buy 100 of these if you wanted. The coupon's only going to work on one. So you can save 30% on as many as you want, but you can save 50% on the first one that you buy. And I actually have the video that I did on these back when Ami Bright sent them to me, if you want to check it out. Next up, we have 12 pairs level 6 cut resistant work gloves by Tool Ant, and they're 45% off. There are 12 pairs here. Normally $63.99, a little too much. Little too much. But we have a 45% promo code. Almost going to cut that in half. Now, this is for the mediums, but if you go to the Amazon page, the promo code works for all sizes on the page, and you can never have enough gloves because you either lose them or get them nasty. Talking about doing that jackhammer, I had gloves on in the concrete. Throw those suckers away. Trash. 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch shank router bit set. This is a 10-piece carbide tip all-purpose set by AugTough. It is also 50% off. Look at all those you're getting. Really nice that they include some 1/2-inch shanks. A lot of the sets are just the 1/4 inches. Prefer the 1/2-inch when possible. $24.99. Half price is only going to be $12.50. And this text link had 7 different options. There was a tongue and groove option. Oh man, I can't remember them all, but there were 7 different ones. If you need 50% off some router bits, but maybe not these router bits, check out that link there. Next up, we have some reciprocating saw blades. It's an 18-piece set by AugTough, and this is also 50% off. You got the pruners, you got metal cutters, you got the wood cutters. Normally $23, and you cut that one in half as well. And this had several different reciprocating saw blade options at that text link as well. Again, if you're new to the program, as soon as you click on one of these links, if you're logged into your Amazon account, the promo code will automatically be applied to your account. Also, if you click on that link and the new window opens, if there's no products displayed or if you get an error message or something, that's your first sign that the promo code has been killed. It is no longer valid. And it's time to say a prayer for what once was. Bimetal oscillating saw blades, 10-piece multi-tool blade. Sometimes this early in the morning or this late at night, your brain just goes to mush. Just can't process anymore. It's telling you to go to sleep, stupid. Toolant, 30% off. Can't sleep, got work to do. 10-piece set, normally $15.99. 30% promo code here, so about $10 on this set. Goes through the 30th. Got a decibel meter, another fun little tool to have around. I don't know if there's a ton of real practical purposes. For me, I've had some like shop vac videos we did back in the day. We compared how loud each one was. Did the same thing with a couple of different tools I can't think of off the top of my head. 35% off with this one by Top Tez. Got a nice big screen there. You'll be able to read all your numbers. Oh, the exhausts on the truck. Both trucks. Back with the ZR2, when we put the aftermarket exhaust on that, we did a little decibel meter, and I might have forgot to do it on the Jeep. No, I think I did bring it out with the Jeep. Anyways, doesn't matter. $29.99, 20% coupon, 15% promo code, 35% off. Brings you just under $20. If you really want to have some fun, just keep it in your hand as you're sitting on the couch, and when your wife starts yelling at you, just hold it up to her and be like, "You're too loud. I have factual proof. You need to keep it down. Inside voices, woman." Then when she gets mad, tell her to chill. Women love that. Chill out, woman. And bring me a sandwich. Wind speed meter, 2.26-inch LCD screen, airflow meter for HVAC, sailing, surfing, golf, shooting, drones. Actually, for a drone, could be a pretty good idea. Like, let's see, 30-mile-an-hour wind? I don't think we should put the drone up today. Top Tez, 35% off. I got one of these by a different brand, and that's a lot of fun, too. You know what I did? I had a bunch of fans, and I had to hold it up in front of different fans and be like, I need to know which of these fans is the best one, because I'm tired of sweating. $29.99, 20% promo code. Nope, 20% coupon, 15% promo code, 35% off there. Again, we're going to be just under $20 for that bad boy there. Got a gas leak detector, natural gas detector, audible and visual alarm. We're saving lives here, folks. 25% off. Another Top Tez. Propane, natural gas. When it goes off, it's not the time to have a smoke. 20% promo code, 5% coupon, 25% off, 1/4. Car jump starter. 3,000 amp car battery jump starter. This is by Gree Pro, and it is 50% off. One of my all-time favorite products. I probably have about 8 of these things. Keep one in the car, each car, and I guess a few on standby. I really should just give some away since I have so many of the damn things. $119.99. 50% off with a $10 coupon. So right around $50 for that. If you just use it once, think of how much a tow is. If you had to get towed because you had a dead battery, the hookup is like $100, and then how far are they going to take you? That or sitting in the cold, waiting for a kind stranger with some jumper cables. Who even has jumper cables? Hey, maybe you would find someone who has a jump starter in their car. Maybe that's the route you should go. Don't buy one. Just sit in your car and wait for someone else who has one. And you'll be like, look at that. I got to use the jump starter. Didn't even have to pay for it. Or, we're getting smarter. Better idea. You have yours in the trunk and you just drive around looking for people who need a jump. You charge them. $20 a jump, fool. You pay for this thing in like 3 jumps. Now, hopefully you got something that's got good gas mileage, because that could add up quickly. Alright, you know what? We gotta go to bed here. This is ridiculous. All of the items will be linked down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.